Good morning, aloha my friends, and welcome to the tour of what I'll be bringing to the range today. We'll start off with the Taurus TCP and 380. Nice 3D printed holster I got there off of eBay. You can see magazines unloaded, weapons clear. So take that to the range with us. And of course we'll have one extra mag, that's the factory magazine. And goes in the nice setup right there. Yeah, alright. Moving on, stepping up the caliber to 9mm. We've got the Ruger. Oh, that's nice. EC9S. A little oily because I cleaned it recently. Beautiful gun. Great condition. Got it for a terrific price. Yeah, there you go. Looks good. So, that'll be coming with us, as well as the well-loved Taurus G2c. Very accurate. Excellent shooter. So both of those will come with us. Obviously, we got our earmuffs when it gets chilly in there. And just quickly, of course I try to keep the mags in a sleeve just to stop them from bouncing around in there, but I only have a few of them. And of course, with our 380 ammo, we'll be shooting these Sig Sauer flat nose guys there. And just a couple of the nice Liberty hollow points just to see how they run, make sure it's smooth. And then, of course, just for the 9mm, we got the herders. I got it on sale. So that's where we're at today. Take care and thanks for watching.